Pizza with chicken bits. Let's make delicious pizza with chicken bites. This recipe is very easy to make. To make pizza dough, we have to mix yeast with warm water. We will take the flour of the stomach and add salt and yeast mixture to it and make it well. Now we will leave this stew for half an hour. Fry the chicken bites and cut it into thin pieces. Now roll the dough and put it in the pan. Pizza sauce will be applied on it and then a layer of cheese will be applied. And then they will apply it for chicken bites. And after that they will add cheese and then vegetables on top of it. Now we will cut it into pieces and eat it with pleasure. Here is our chicken bite pizza. Ready for eat.